What's going on, you guys? Cameron here with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can change views in FileMaker. And what that means exactly is right now, let's say you have a browse mode. Browse mode is typically considered the view that you're interacting with the database as far as inputting data, reviewing portals on a record, and sometimes for whatever reason in a database design, the view changes. And let's say it goes to a list view. And let's say if I have two records right now, this list view will make it to where I just keep scrolling and I see basically the same thing repeating. Or if I go to a table view, you actually see something that's considered like an Excel spreadsheet. So this whole view as section here, you're able to switch between different view types. And typically, when you are on a specific layout, you don't want to be able to jump around like this, because it could be, you can end up inputting information wrong, not being on the record that you think you're on. And there's a way to disable this ability to change the views if you want it to a specific view type for a specific layout. So if you go to layout, if you go to your manage layouts and you select the layout that you want to edit, and you go under the views tab here, views available in browse mode and in find mode, you have form view, list view, and table view. So let's go ahead and disable these two and click OK, exit out of this, and then you'll see that we can no longer jump between the browse mode in the form view and list view or table view. They're disabled. And you can do this for any combination that you like. Let's say you want to have the form view and table view, but you don't want list view. Table view will give you other customization properties that we can talk about in another video. But for now, we're going to show how we can do the form view or the table view, but we can't do list view. So this is a quick overview of how to disable this ability of jumping around between different view types, and how to change view types if you get stuck to get back to where you want. And it also shows how we can edit this to fit our needs for our database to make it more customizable. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's very quick. It's very easy. And until next time.